Hi everyone, it's Julie here at Big Lakes Dodge. Today I'll be showing you this cute little Kia Rio. It's a 2021 5-door LX Plus. Has the 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, IVT transmission. It's silver on the outside, and on the inside we'll go have a look here. It's a dark gray color. There you go. So you can have a look there. We do have our cloth bucket seats, which are manual. To adjust that, you would just pull this one here or use this little bar in the front. We got some little door pockets there for your drinks, power locks, power windows. Looking on in the glove box here, we do have our owner's manuals. So we have our, that one there, and then this one as well, and then this one is just a duplicate of this 2021 owner's manual. So those are all there for you. If you need to reference any information, it's there. And we do have an little bit of extra space for some gloves. And then that's just a quick look here. We do have the carpet floor mats as well. Going into the back here, and you can see that we do have a 60-40 split bench. This one, it does fold down on both sides. I have this side folded down already, so I don't have to wrestle with it there. But this does come up as well very easily. We have our door pockets back here. You can stick a magazine or a book in there. And then we have one little door pocket. You can fit one drink in there. And then, yeah, this is a quick look on this side. I'll go on into the back and you can have a look back there. So we do have a backup camera on this one, as you can see there. And then there we go. We have our lift gate. And then underneath this little mat here, we do have a tire mobility kit. So if you get a flat tire, you can go ahead and pump it up, or if your tire is getting low, that'll be there for you. Nice and handy to have. And then once all these do fold down with this little latch here, you could just fold that down. See? And then once you have it all folded down, then you have lots more extra storage to haul things, or if you're making a trip to the city to have a big grocery haul, there you go. And I'll close this up here. It's just a quick look back here. The gas cap does lock here, and then we do have a switch for that to open it up in the front. Again, a little door pocket, and no backseat pocket on this one, but that's fine. You have one on that side, you can share. And then over here we have our other half of our bench, or our 60 part, I guess. And then having a look here, it does fold down, of course. And we're going into the front. So in the front here, we have a little more to talk about. This one is a manual as well. Just a quick look at that. We have our power locks, power windows, power mirrors. So if you need to adjust your mirrors, you just flip the switch here, left side. Then you can adjust it how you need it. Just gonna turn down that there. All right, so we have our power windows, power locks. If you want to lock your windows so no one can open them up, then you have that there. And let me just zoom out here. So we do have lots to look at here on the steering wheel. We have our voice command system, our mode. So if you want to switch modes, and you can go ahead and click that there for your radio, AM, FM. And this one's your volume control there. And we also have our tuning, so you can tune from right here if you want to switch radio stations. And we have our answering your calls and ending your calls, our trip information, you can see that up there, as well as our cruise control. You can see it's activated there. And then this is where you would put your cruise control up or down, or cancel it altogether. And looking over here, we do have our headlamp switch if you need to adjust it up or down, and then our traction control there. This one is a manual telescopic. Oh, maybe it's not telescopic, but to adjust it, it is manual right there. And then if you need to put it up or down, you can adjust it easily just with that little lever there. Looking over at our infotainment center, I do have it on our settings. I was already looking at it a little bit, but if you go ahead and click the home button, You can go ahead and see that we do have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto capabilities, and we have our AM FM radio. For media, you can connect it to Bluetooth or USB, so our USB port is just down there. And then if you wanted to connect to Bluetooth, you would go to phone, and then that's where you would connect it right there. We do also have our seek and switching the tracks, and then you can also favorite right there. You could click your setup button to set up your settings how you want them to be. Below that, we do have our climate control. So this one will control your heat and your cold, and then below that you can activate your AC. This one's to control your fans there, and then this one's to control the mode. So right now I have it going on the feet and the face. You can have it just on the face if you'd like, if you're trying to cool off quickly. Yeah, I think this one opens up, and then we have a 12 volt port there. Below that, we do have our gear shifter, and right by our gear shifter we have our heated seats. So if you wanted to have heated seats in the winter time, you just click these ones on and they'll heat right up for you. And then beside that, we do have our sport mode. If you want to be sporty about it, then we have that option available. And then looking down the line a little bit, we do have our cup holders and our park brake, and then we have this little console here. It does have a little bit of storage room in there. Yeah, if you want to take pens or papers along with you, you have some room for that. Looking up above, we do have sunglasses, or yeah, sunglasses. Whoops, dropped my clipboard, sorry about that. You can fit your sunglasses in there. Some people like to put their insurance and registration in there as well. And then we have our interior lights. On this one, it does have an interior light in here as well. What else can we go over? Yeah, on there we do have our temperature, our average fuel economy, I believe, and oh, I didn't show the backup camera. We do have the backup camera on this one as well. I'll just put it into reverse so you can see that quickly. There's our backup camera. So, you know, if you ever need some help backing up, if you're a first-time driver, or if you just like to check to make sure that there's no little ones behind you, you can sleep safe knowing that this has the backup camera. It's ready for you. It does have brake assist. What else do we have? Yeah, it's nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. It's got everything that you need for the basic necessities. And it's a cute little car. It has good fuel economy. That's one thing that it has going for it. Let's have one final look at it here. There's that cute little Kia. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can go ahead and come down to Big Lakes Dodge, and we'd be happy to help you out with that. Have a coffee together and chat. Yeah, see you in the next one.